Welcome to this tutorial. This is what we will be creating today. Create a new document in Illustrator. Select the rectangle tool and click on the canvas. Set the width to 100 and the height to 300. Select the ellipse tool and click on the canvas. Set the width and height to 300 each. Position the rectangle on top of the circle with a slight overlap. Select both and go to Window and click Pathfinder. On the Pathfinder panel, click the Align tab and select Horizontal Align Center. Click the Pathfinder tab and select Unite. Select the new shape and go to Object, Path and click on Offset Path. In the dialog box, set the offset to -0.5, the joins to meter and the meter limit to 4. Click and drag the new shape away from the original. Select the Direct Selection tool. Press Shift and click and drag on the top line downwards. Select the Zoom tool and zoom in on the top of the smaller shape. Select the Convert Anchor Point tool. Click and drag on the left anchor point to curve the horizontal path. Press Shift when dragging to ensure the vertical path stays straight. Repeat for the right anchor point. Zoom out. Apply an orange color to the fill of the smaller shape. Set the stroke to none. Select the ellipse tool and create a circle 50 by 50. With the selection tool, position the new circle to the center of the circle of the smaller shape. Set the fill of the new circle to a lighter orange. Set the stroke to none. Select the smaller shape and the circle. Go to Object, Blend and Blend Options. Set the spacing to smooth color in the dialog box. Go to Object, Blend and select Make. Create an ellipse with a width of 200 and a height of 100. Set the fill to white and the stroke to none. Click on the Transparency tab and set it to Screen and Opacity to 50%. Position the ellipse under where the rectangle and circle join. Select the Direct Selection tool. Click and drag on the bottom anchor point of the ellipse upwards to create a curve. Group the smaller shape and the ellipse. Right-click and select Arrange and Send to Back. Select all the objects and on the Pathfinder panel, click the Align tab. Click Vertically Align Bottom and Horizontal Align Center. Select the front shape and set the fill to none. Make a copy of the flask. Ungroup the smaller shape. Select the Direct Selection tool and click on the darker orange section and set the fill to a dark green. Select the lighter orange and apply a lighter green. Repeat for a third copy and apply a red fill. Create another circle that is 10 by 10. Zoom into the new circle. Create another circle 7 by 7. Set the fill of the smaller circle to white. Position the smaller circle over the other. Select both circles and blend them. Position the circle over the red smaller shape. Press Alt and click and drag on the circle to make 4 copies. Arrange the circles to the back. Select each circle individually and hold Shift and drag on the corner anchor points for variation in sizes. Copy and paste the circles over the orange and green flasks. Use the direct selection tool to change their colours and vary their position and scale.